a premium garlic press that comes with a peeler and also a little brush to clean out the press. And they have sent this to me for free, and I have put it through the test, so let's get into it. First and foremost, I want to say this is the easiest way I've ever had to peel garlic. You know how it's really goopy and sticky? All you have to do is put it in this little sleeve and roll it around like this. You can hear how it's cracking the peel off of there. You literally then just go like this, and look at that. The paper has come right off of it. Just so simple, not even sticky. Then all you have to do is put it inside the press like this. And this press is made out of zinc alloy with a food grade material, so it's not going to rust. This is an ergonomic handle, so it's really easy to grab, and then the inside is the rubber here, so if you click it together, it's not going to make a lot of noise. All you have to do is put it in there, press it, and you have fresh minced garlic. So you don't have to go and buy it anymore, because you can just have it right on hand, right ready to go. The press is super simple, and it also takes the skin off of the garlic for you inside the press, and you don't have any gunk in your garlic. All you have is the fresh garlic. So simple to use, very comfortable handle, and it cleans right up. So the brush will just help you to get all the gunk out of there if necessary. You can put this in the dishwasher or rinse it with your faucet and clean it up. Fresh on-hand garlic, you could use it for other spices if you wanted to. It's an amazing little press and something that you should have as a staple in your kitchen if you love to cook.